What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying in today's video is how to invest $2,000. Listen, guys, I know when you jump into the stock market, everybody is on a different spectrum, and so I want to always give guidance into where you may be or an amount you may be starting off with, so that you properly know what to do with it and how to invest it, guys. But hey, listen, if I helped you out in any way, whether I was helping you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay, guys, in case you're new here, I'm Chris Sane, and I do what's called a 100K challenge, where we go from 0 to 100K. It doesn't matter where you are starting on the journey, whether you have $1,000, $500, $5,000, or $50,000. If you roll with me, guys, I can show you how to double your money, triple your money, quadruple your money, ultimately helping you hit the goal of 100K or whatever your personal dollar amount may be, okay? I've done it time and time again. I've done it as recently as 2020, and I'm doing it again for 2021 for those that want to join in on the challenge. However, I must remind everybody that it's a marathon, meaning that it won't be a straight shot up. You will have to use the tools to your advantage in order to navigate the ebbs and flows of the market, okay? Today, I want to talk to you guys about how to invest $2,000. So if you are just finding my video or my channel and you are wanting to join the journey or just become an excellent investor, okay, $2,000 is a number that many people jump into the game with, okay? And so I want to show you, as well as teach you, the right way to go about how to invest $2,000. Before we do that, let's first identify stock. Today, guys, I'm going to use NIO, ticker symbol NIO, okay, to start us off. One being because it's under $50, okay? Number two being because when you're starting off, you want to have a stock, and or more importantly, you want to start investing in companies, okay? So your first order of business will be to go out and do what's called due diligence. People may call it DD, but they're referring to due diligence, meaning go read up on what this company is, who this company is, and what they do. I'll give you a quick hint. They're an EV company that sells cars, and so you might want to dive deeper into that because you may also be familiar with something called Tesla, okay? But you want to just see how this stacks up. Under $50 is one reason I'm choosing this for the price, but more importantly, price does not matter. Let me teach you something really quickly about valuation. Let's take a look at it. If you follow me down here, guys, I'm a guy that's transparent. I always show my portfolio each and every day. I always show all of my positions in my plays each and every day, okay? So if you like transparency, if you can't find that on YouTube, please know you can find that right here with your boy, okay? But let's go down here and look at some of the stats, okay? Please take your eyes over to the market cap, okay? You should see 67.68 billion, okay? That is the number that you want to get yourself familiar with, okay? Because the market cap is how this company is valued. So they are not yet a $100 billion company, unlike some of your other companies that you may go and research and find along your journey, okay? But one thing I want you to understand is that please look at the 52-week high and make yourself familiar with the 52-week low, okay? Never buy at the 52-week high. So right now, this stock is at $50. The 52-week high is 66. So you're okay in terms of getting into this play, okay? On this channel, we have bought this play as low as $40, $34, $37 for the year 2021. If you've been with me for longer than that, then you know one of my gifts is finding all the stocks before everybody finds out about them. And that's how we hit so many home runs. We had this at $2, $5, and at $7, and have made millions of dollars in this play. I'm just teaching people how to do it again for 2021, starting at around $34, okay? So check this out. The 52-week low is $10. So you're in a sweet spot. Always go check out where the 52-week high and low is relative to the current price of the stock. Meaning, I have told my channel since day one, this play is going to go to $65 short term, and so we have not hit that yet, but we are en route. We're already at $50. Next stop will be 52. Then we need to clear 52 solidly before heading to 55. Okay, check this out, guys. I always want you to get familiar. I don't care if you use Google, I don't care if you use TradingView. Find you some charts that you can look at on a daily basis to make yourself more familiar with where the levels of support is at, as well as levels of resistance. One of those things would be this. The week chart would show that NEO is up nearly 10% on the week. Okay, and so they're up from $46 to around $50. Okay, so on the month we can see they're up 23.5% on the month. But follow my screen real quick just to look at these dips, which will serve as level of support. 45.07 was one, 44 was another. Okay, and if we just go across, 45 again and 45 again. 45 would be a level of support for the last month we were in if you were looking at NEO. Okay, so we never buy high. Okay, we always try to buy low. One thing you want to do is buy the dip. If you are buying the dip, 45 may be a place to go, but if you've been with me and you have more knowledge, you know we don't buy at 45, we would buy this at 40, so we'll be waiting for a deeper pullback in this. Okay, next I want to pull out the charts to show you about timely entries, but more importantly timely exits when you are jumping into a stock. Please look at my screen and look at these highlighted areas. Okay, look at the highlighted was timely entries. Okay, remember I said you don't want to buy the 52-week high. What you want to do is buy on a dip, and you want to get your psychology around money correct off the gate. Okay, because if you are chasing, having a fear of missing out, otherwise known as FOMO, you may be buying high and then you won't see any gains or very minimum gains in these type of plays. You want to buy on a dip, and you want to embrace buying when stocks pull back, when they dip, when they are corrected, or when they crash, because that is the best buying opportunity that you want to get these stocks at. Okay, so follow this, and then guys, I have this level of chart right here that's going to show you about support. Okay, look at this screen, look at the yellow highlighted areas. Remember I just showed you the dips. You want to always find what's known as a bottom. A bottom, aka, is otherwise known as support in the stock market. Okay, so if we're talking about support levels, that means when a stock drops, it should drop to several different support levels, but some are stronger than others, and so they may hold at different spots. 45 for the month of June was a good support level, but if you with me, you already know I've done the due diligence for you guys in all of our plays, and so the real supports for this is 34, 37, and $40 while we're in this range. Okay, and so 45 is cool, but if we can buy it lower than that, that's what I want you guys to shoot for. So $40 will be what we'll be targeting. Listen guys, I hope that was helpful. I just wanted to show you, if you had $2,000, a stock to consider. In addition to that, we always try to buy 125 shares minimum. So after you get your money, and now that you have identified the stock that you are going to invest $2,000 into, the next thing you want to do is to begin to work your way towards 125 shares. We get that at a bare minimum. Please understand that, and that's so I can teach you covered calls. That is so that you have a real fully built position in place, so that you have more skin in the game, and that is for a host of other things that I show you along the journey towards 100K. Okay, so remember, put your 2,000 into one stock. Don't spread yourself thin trying to buy multiple stocks. Then work your way towards 125 shares minimum. You can get 250 over time, you can get 500, you can get 1,000, because all it's going to do is double and triple your money as the stock grows and grows and grows over time. Okay, please embrace some of these initial principles to get you started on the right footing when you're beginning your investment journey. and I look forward to seeing you guys do your thing at the end of the day. Listen guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.